Yo, what's up guys? How are you doing with the new dynamic head system in Roblox? Today I opened Roblox and saw this brand new makeup feature just dropped, and it comes together with the dynamic heads update. So let's check it out. First, let's try it inside the Roblox app. Go ahead and click on your avatar. Then tap Edit Avatar. Now click the small settings icon. Choose body shape and switch your body type to R15. This is important because the makeup feature only works with dynamic heads. Now go back and select the makeup tab. You'll see a looks tab which includes full makeup layers. You can pick one you like and purchase it. Let's take a look at some different assets. Vietnam flag, France flag, tiger makeup, Thailand, United States, or this horror face. Man, I'm not recognized me anymore. Let's try with eyes stuff. Blue eyes, violet eyes. All cost Robux guys, nothing free here. And lips, look at this red lips. Then try with faces, look at this face. And try with some eyelashes. I will use them in Halloween event. Another way to do this is through the Roblox website. Open your browser, go to Roblox, click your avatar icon, then hit Edit Avatar. Go to the Makeup tab. If you don't own any items yet, it might be empty like mine. Click Get More. It will redirect you to the marketplace. From there, select all makeup for full looks, or choose specific categories like eyes, lips, faces, then click Apply. On the website you can buy items, but you can't preview them before purchasing. Lastly, you can also do this on mobile. Tap Avatar, Edit Avatar, Makeup tab. From there, choose categories like looks, eyes, lips, face, eyebrows. The mobile version lets you preview items easily. And yeah, that's how you use the new makeup avatar feature in Roblox. Let me know what you think about this update. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials.